Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm here in Zadar and I'm going to take you over to the sea organ and the solar lights. And then I'll try to come back at night so you can see it at night too, because it's supposed to be pretty amazing. The sea organ, there's sounds and everything else. It's pretty cool to listen to it as the waves crash against the organ and push air through all the ducting and vents and everything else and make different notes. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for coming along and I'll take you right over. Thanks everybody. Beautiful sail ship, huh? All right, bye-bye. All right, everybody. This is the boardwalk. I came from down that way. And Ocean Walk here it's really much bigger than Pula, much bigger than Revenge. And so what I'm heading to is way, 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 way down there. You can barely see it. Is the sea organ. Bless you. The sea organ, and so there was something else I was reading about. They have these discs in the ground that all day long they capture solar rays, and then at night, pressure sensitive plates, I guess, make them light up. And so, I think they just light up too. So I think on random, but anyway, they get their energy from the sun. And so yesterday when I was down here, you could see people playing on them and touching them and everything else, and they'd light up in different colors and everything else. But I'll take you all the way down there and show you that too. And I'll take you to the sea organ, which is amazing. And what that is when the waves crash against the wall here. Well, down here they have steps. The air gets pushed through the ducting underground, and it's like an organ, so it has music, or it's really not music, is it? If it's just sound. Anyway, it has musical notes, a variety of different notes depending on where the wave is hitting the side and which hole is getting blown, I guess, right? And it's a beautiful day. I'm in shorts. Lots of people out in the parks. And so far I've walked how far? 4.5 miles so far after leaving the house. They're setting up tents here for something. Yesterday they weren't here. Well, there must be something happening because all these booths weren't here yesterday either. And you can see the church back there. And the other church over there, that's a pretty good view right there. So they must be setting up for some kind of a market or some kind of festival or something. Amazing. And all the little things in the trees. Drinking time. So this boardwalk might be, or this pier, or whatever we're going to call this, might be a mile? Maybe more than a mile? It's certainly a ways. We're videotaping and it's been 4 minutes and I started halfway here, I think. So it's certainly a good-sized little inlet. Sorry. It's amazing how much people get out here in Europe and enjoy parks and enjoy playing and lunch on the piers and stuff. Alright. And there are the bathrooms. Sorry it's so long. I hope you're enjoying the views. So this is where the sea organ starts. All these little seats and benches and stuff. And you're going to start seeing holes in these seats. So see that glass thing right here? That's one of those things I was talking about. It's right now absorbing up all that solar energy. And so later tonight, it'll light up. You can start hearing the organ right here. See these holes down here? They're connected to the waves hitting this and pushing air up here. And so there's different porting. There's these that are bigger and make a deeper sound. And then you see all these ones along here. They make the sound too, and you can see kids listening to it. And there's more of those lights up there. There's a huge square down there full of it. But this is the sea organ. Alright, I'll have to come back at night. You see that when the waves are bigger in the evening, it's better. And this whole disc right here is solar cells picking up energy, and this whole thing lights up. And they're all different colors and different lights and everything else, so it's pretty amazing. Interesting. Very cool. So the sea organ and the lights at night in Zadar, Croatia. Thanks for coming, everybody. It's certainly a popular place, and at night it's twice as crazy. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.